So we're watching the Super Bowl, and I hear these two just crying, and then I notice my dog has eyebrows.
Who is the goofiest? Who sheds the most? Who is the craziest? Who is the most handsome?
Luna, stop. Luna, stop it. All right.
Shaka, I want to take a nap. Let me take a nap. Stop. Can all the kitties in the club say meow?
Okay, so my cat, instead of drinking the water, has found out that if he spills it all over the floor, he can make the bubbles go up.
I love you. I love you.
That was a good
I
one.
love you. Good night, Simone. Good boy. Good night, Marie, Curie, and Isaac. Good night, Linguini. Sorry your home didn't work out, bud. Good night, Lumina. Good night, Evangeline. Good girls. Good night, Lucas. Good night, Eveline. Good dogs. Good night, Garnet. Good night, Juliet. Good night, Frisk. Good night, Jimmy. Good boy, Frisk. Good boy, Jimmy. Good night, Piper. Good boy. Good boy, Piper. Good night, Payson. Good girl. Good girl, Payson. Good night, Amir. I'm gonna miss you when you go home tomorrow, bud. Good boy. Good night, puppies. Good night, Jay.
Good night, Leah.
Would you like a banana?
Hey, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
What's wrong? Do you want your wheel back up? We have to tilt his wheel over so he doesn't keep us up at night. 1 second, it's not on the thing. There you go, my dude. You happy now? You fast boy. Are you happy, boy? Dinah, what are you doing?
You've started a battle, my handsome dude. Can you believe we've gone through 11 months of TikTok, 5 inches of antlers for people to still think you're a girl? Pitiful, ain't it, Sean?
What's up? You don't like my mask?
Y'all know little pumpkin friend, he got those TikTok likes. When he woke up and checked his phone, it gave him quite a fright. With Halloween not far away, he's in that spooky mood. This morning he said his first words, he hit me with that boo!
These were some of the dogs rescued today. We got 2 of the corgis, little Dotson, wiener dog. Got a little Chihuahua, old Chihuahua. We also got in this deaf dog today that we rescued. They're all 7 getting ready to be adopted.
Don't touch the chips. Ah, no, don't touch those chips. The sass! No chips for you. You can't have the chips. No, they're bad for you. Too much salt. No, 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 no. No chips. No, no.
If you don't like me, that's fine. But, you know, watch your mouth.
You are thicker than a snicker, heavy like a Chevy. Come here, little mama, let me rub up on the belly. Hey, hey, let me rub up on the belly. Come on, little.
Where's the dinosaur? Yay! Yay, dinosaur! You're tired? You don't want to do it anymore?